What's up, guys? Luckside here, coming to you on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. Appreciate you guys obviously taking time out of your day to join us. So I want to share an article with you guys that I found and thought was somewhat misleading, and I want to explain why. This article says cryptocurrency is losing popularity as an investment vehicle in the US, according to this Bankrate survey. So before we dive into this, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, show your support for the channel. That'll keep you updated anytime new content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. So the percentage of millennials that were very comfortable investing in crypto went from 49% in 2021 to 29% this year. There are some adjustments, obviously, in other groups as well. So Gen Xers have dropped from 37% to 21%, and baby boomers have dropped from 21 to 11%, and only 21% had some degree of confidence in crypto as an investment this year, compared to 35% last year. So this is all in part, obviously, with the current bear market that we are currently, situated in. Okay. So obviously anytime you see this long extended period of time where the numbers are, for the most part, going down, you're going to have a negative sentiment about it. You're going to feel bad about it, right? Even you or you, other people, we may not feel as confident about our investments or holdings as we did when the numbers were way up, right? Obviously, there's always going to be emotion that are tied into investments. And again, this is also why you don't let emotions play a toll in the things that you put your money in. Now, that being said, I thought this article was kind of misleading because, again, there's going to be some negative sentiment surrounding this kind of stuff when the price is down. Now, what you should be looking at is what big money is doing during this time. So big money has been accumulating. If you haven't noticed, there have been tons and tons of companies that have been investing billions and billions and billions of dollars, not just into crypto, but into blockchain, basically all of Web3. So blockchain, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, central bank digital currencies, all this sort of stuff. The whole digital era right now is gaining steam. And yes, investors may, investors, people that are putting their money into cryptocurrency, regular consumers like you, me, mom and pop down the street, right? They may not have as much confidence right now because we obviously see the immediate pain from the numbers being down. But don't be fooled. Big money is investing very heavily right now. Okay. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do with your money. But just be aware that these kind of things are happening right now. There are large, institutions and companies and stuff like that, even government agencies that are positioning themselves for the next cycle because innovation in Web3 hasn't even really been tapped into yet. If you think about it, Web3 is really only about a little over a decade old. Okay. And even during these last, the 5 years prior to these last 5, okay, the development was so small. So things are growing in ways that you don't even understand at this point. And that's why we try to obviously keep you updated here on the ClearCryptos channel. We're finding about newer and newer use cases every single day. And we're seeing them roll out across the US and not just the US, I guess really across the globe, right? And it's going to be very cool to see how this develops over time. But this also goes to show you that don't believe everything that you read in the media, right? Don't be shaken out by articles that say, oh yeah, confidence is falling out, blah, 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 blah. If that was the case, if you look at, all these different cryptos and what's happening, some of the larger ones, especially, the number of holders are continuing to increase every single day. If that was the case, if there was confidence that was really, falling out, like, from underneath it, like this article is making it seem like it is, that wouldn't be happening. You wouldn't see more and more holders investing in crypto every single day. So just obviously, again, this is not financial advice, but just keep this in mind. Make sure you do your own research. Again, obviously that'll always keep you updated. I lost my tagline. I always want to just keep you updated, informed, because then again, that way you can keep luck on your side, just like me. Appreciate you guys again stopping in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you took something positive away. Hopefully this gave you a little more reassurance. Again, as always, make sure you do your own research, but If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, it'll keep you updated anytime new content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.